This is Sayed from Prospero. I'm here with sir. Your
Hi,
name?
my name is Gaurav.
Gaurav.
I'm from Aquaminder.
Okay.
And
We are asking sir about his review about our products.
Yeah.
Sir had a visual representation and saw it in the live.
yes,
Yeah.
this is a very nice robot actually, and I've put my products here, and it goes around with telling people or engaging with them, and it follows them and it gives them all the information that I require about the product. So it's a very nice concept, and it'll help the it'll help the exhibitor to showcase his product in a better way.
Yes, sir.
Because this is a very unique thing, and if somebody is going through, and if the robot comes to you and greets you and talks to you, converses with you, it's a very nice thing.
Yes, of course.
And definitely today, being an exhibitor, my product has also been in limelight. Okay, robot bhi hai, and my product itself is a innovative thing that we have come up with. So innovation plus innovation, so that has been a very good
Innovation is the way
experience.
to go. Okay,
Yeah.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.